Howdy, and welcome to the Cartoon Quick Draw. I'm Mr. Dan, and today we're drawing a dragon. To start my dragon, I'm going to start at the top of the page and I'm going to draw his head. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a small line and two bumps on either side. Then I'm going to draw a curved line on either side that thins closer to the bottom. And I'm going to connect it with a U shape. I'm going to put two dots in the middle of the U for the nose. And then to draw the eyes, I'm going to draw two curved lines and two straight lines connecting with a nice thick fat line going down on the front end. To continue the dragon, I'm going to draw two long lines on either side of my U that's going to slightly go diagonal out. This will be the dragon's neck. Then I'm going to connect it with an oval shape that meets both sides. To draw its feet, I'm going to draw a small line that connects from the middle of the circled loop down, and I'm just going to draw a flat line across the bottom. Then to complete the feet, I'm going to draw a curved line in and then a curved line out on both sides. In, out. And I'm going to give his feet claws by just drawing two curved lines at the edges. To draw his hands, I'm going to start with a curved line that goes down like this. Then I'm basically going to draw a couple zigzags. So we have 3 points. Then I'm going to draw a curved line that goes into my outside curve. I'm going to kind of do the same thing on the other side, except what I'm going to do is I'm going to start drawing a curved line, and then it's going to act like that hand is going behind the first one. And we just draw our 3-point zigzag, followed with a curve that once again curves into the main line. Now it's time to give our dragon some wings. So what we're going to do is we're going to start just a little ways up on the neck, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line that goes up and out. And we can do that on the other side as well. Just up and out. It can be taller than the head or about the same height as the head. It doesn't matter. Now, without touching the top of this line, I'm going to go down just a little ways, and I'm going to draw a straight line that just goes all the way down to about where the feet are too. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Without touching it, I'm going to go down a little bit ways, then I'm going to draw a line that goes down almost as far as the feet. This will make sense in a little bit. So what I want to do here is at the top, I'm going to make a half circle that connects to the bottom of this line. So I just want to draw out and then curve it around to connect to that point. I will do the exact same thing on this side. I'm just going to draw a half circle out and have it connect to the bottom. Now to finish the wing, what I want to do is basically where I connected the arm into the round circle, I'm going to draw a curved line that comes up and down. And then I will do the same thing on the other side. Right there at that elbow, I'm going to draw a curved line up and then bring it down. To finish the wing, I'm going to go just below the top of this line, and I'm going to draw another curved line down that connects to the neck on both sides. The reason I wanted to draw it a little bit down is it helps give that folded look to make it look like the dragon's wings are folded down, like he's just about to spread them out. We're almost done with our dragon. First we need to add a tail, and I'm going to do it here on the left side. I'm just going to draw a little diagonal line out from the leg. It's going to swoosh up, basically kind of like the Nike swoosh. Then I'm just going to meet that point and curve it back to the foot. Now I want to add a few scales to the dragon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make a straight line that goes up from the top of the hands to the mouth, the nostrils, just on the inside like that. And then over here by the elbow, I'm going to draw a slight curve on either side. Then to give it the full effect, I'm just going to draw a few lines horizontally spaced out across those points, and then a couple more on the belly. And that's how you draw a dragon.